Alright, Melford James Hutchins here with my Lakewood box fan. I got this fan probably back in like '02 or so at Home Depot. Or no, it would have been like in '98 at the Home Depot. The reason I got it is I like the blade set. It's like this green color, 7-wing. And there it says Lakewood. It was like 21 something. And it's got the thermostat, 3 speeds. Here. And like when it's not running because it's at the temperature, it's got a little pilot light to let you know what's going on. Another thing I like about this fan is it left a lot of air for the motor, like a lot of play, a good amount of space so that the motor can get some air. It's a good little motor. I mean, cheapy for Lakewood though. Again, motor view. Let's see if I can get a startup noise on this fan. Probably not. Yeah. Alright. So here we're going to go. Here's high. Oops. Temperature. Medium. I don't know, it puts out a good amount of air, but it's like, doesn't get the distance. No. Spin down. And I'll demonstrate the thermostat again. Alright, again, this is my 98 Lakewood box fan with thermostat.